Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Tom, and I'm Robbie. We have an awesome Tom cocktail for you today. Tom, what are we making?
This is called the Bomba. It's very simple, very delicious. Robbie, if you would pour 2 ounces of our Queen Charlotte 4-year into each glass.
This is my personal favorite. Our Muddy River Queen Charlotte 4-year is single barrel, aged in virgin American white oak. How much did you say I was?
2 ounces. You weren't paying attention. Well, that's usual.
Tom Cruise.
Good aim. And now we're going to put 1 ounce of, this is Demerara Syrup, Demerara sugar. Now this is concentrated because we use 2 scoops of sugar to 1 scoop of water, so it's a little bit more, and you can see it's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Demerara sugar is a natural sugar. You can get it at any one of your grocery stores. So we're going to put 1 ounce, oops, watch that, in each one.
Yeah, it's basically just a more raw sugar. It has more
Yes.
character. It's evaporated cane
Not
juice,
bad.
part of the process of making sugar. And
We're just adding more cane juice back into an already delicious drink or rum.
looks good.
And now, if you would stir those up a little bit.
Sir.
That looks good to me. And now we're gonna grate some fresh nutmeg on top. I know that sounds a little strange, but it does give it just that little kick that you're looking
Looks
for.
good too.
It does, it makes it look pretty.
And you can just buy this nutmeg.
Nutmeg, again, at any grocery store. You can, pick up, they come like maybe 6 little nuts to a group, any kind of, there you go.
Really cool.
Well, Rob, let's give this a taste.
All right. Cheers, brother.
Here we go.
That's a good one.
It is.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Perfect balance.
Tastes good, yes.
Hope you guys liked that video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. You can come out here and take a tour every Saturday, check out how we make the rum and how, just everything goes down in here. And don't forget to ask for us in your local liquor store. Cheers, and thanks for watching. You know Marty can wink? It's crazy. I thought that was to wink. Shut up, Jake.
What's his problem?
He wants kids.
Oh,
I do say that.
well, my son can wink too. Of course, he's 30. Look, up in the sky, it's a bird. It's plain, it's Superman, who disguises as Clark Kent, mild-mannered reporter for... Okay, let's go.